Everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I am here at the allotment. It's not the greatest time right now for me to be out here because the wind is very strong, but it is warm. And knowing me, I went to the garden center, guys, as a green hander, gardener who loves nature. Going to the garden center is a disaster for us, guys. I went there to buy literally few bags of compost because I'm trying to finish off my garden beds, get them just an extra thing. And I have something I need to do because I have one more section of this allotment that needs to be turned into a no dig. So I went there to pick up my amazing garden helper, whatever you want to call it, that beautiful horse manure compost that has enriched my soil over the years and gave me beautiful plants. Now, knowing as I said that, I went to get those things. I couldn't resist. They were on for sale. So knowing my little self as a person that loves to buy things to grow, I couldn't resist, guys. I literally couldn't resist. I picked up a beautiful yellow sweet pepper, free from pesticides. So it says, we don't know. I wasn't there when it was doing, but I trust in the label and trust in God. And a beautiful, strong looking Californian Wonder sweet pepper. And I couldn't resist another one. Beautiful orange sweet pepper. Come on, guys. Look at them. And I did the old turn them over, have a look and see how the roots are looking at. Come on, they are some healthy looking plants. Look how strong they are. I know it's not the greatest weather because they are promising some silly frost, but I couldn't resist. And then look at this. If you are Jamaican, you know the scotch bonnet. I could not resist. It's there. I have some sowed, and I haven't seen them since 2 weeks because, you know, they take a long time. I am a bit behind schedule. But I said to myself, no, let's go grab me 2 of those. I might even want to go back and grab some more because I'm trying to grow as much pepper this year as possible. I couldn't resist. It's just beautiful. And I didn't see much root at the bottom, but I said the plant looks healthy, guys. Come on. Couldn't resist. Could not resist. I am not going to say I am the worst of the worst, but I am probably is in that category of I went there to buy 1 or 2 things. I end up with a whole heap of different things. And I saw this chili pepper, the hot banana. I've never had it before. And I said, the price is very good. Let me grab one of those. And I think they were like 2 for $1.99. $1.99 for 2 plants. I should have bought more, but the budget is not looking great. And I just said, let me just grab 6 of these and I'm going to plant them out now in the garden because I have some pots ready that I haven't got nothing in them. Let me take you over to there. So I have some parsnip in this, another parsnip, a potato coming back to life, another potato, but I got 2 in the middle that's not got nothing in there, and it's right where the sun can come from every angle. It's gonna get all that sunshine, and I said, why not? Couldn't resist. So let me go and get these in there. And yeah, and I have a bag of compost just over there waiting for it. So what? Perfect timing, guys. Come on, couldn't resist. It's your boy, Mr. Green Hands. And a low right now I'm feeling my pockets are gonna be low, but it doesn't matter because they're gonna grow. Oh, I'm just gonna add some beautiful organic compost into that. This is a pelt-free one. And look at this, guys. I want to show you something super amazing. Let me get you closer. Look, in this compost, or compass, compost, not compass. I wasn't trying to find something. Look at this, guys. I threw it out of the bag and worms are in my compost. This is crazy. Look at that. It's alive. It's great. It's going to do amazing for these plants. Once you see worms in your soil, guys, it means it is good. Let me get them in here. Look at that. They couldn't even resist. I did leave the bag open. So how the hell did they get in there? I don't know. Nature does its own thing. I'm just going to fill it all up to the top. Give it a little bit of tap down. And fill up the other one next to it. Worms will find wherever good stuff is. That's the name of the game. Okay. I have very high hopes for here because it's just in the right area. It's right here where the sun is coming from every single direction, and I'm not gonna it's not gonna fail me. I'm having hope. Okay, I've gotta have dreams and hopes, guys. Look at that. Look at it. Come on, guys, that just looks amazing right now. I haven't put it in the soil yet, but let's look at this amazing. And I'm gonna keep the tag so I know what they are. I'm gonna explain to you in a minute why it's important for myself to keep a track of things that I grow or things that I sow. Because, yeah, I'm gonna show you in a sec. So look, oh, come on, guys. Look at that beauty. Look at that lovely root system. It's just crying out to be plugged into something so it can start to grow. And look at the health of it. Who can resist this? It's just beautiful. Let me get it in the ground. Or should I say get it in the pot? A little bit of wiggle, jiggle, wiggle. To soften it up a little bit. And to give it a little trick that I learned. Use the same pot. Push it in there. And you will have a perfect slot for this beautiful. Give it a little squeeze down. Yellow sweet pepper. I have never had good luck with peppers, so right now for me, the earlier the better for me. Peppers do take a longer time to produce, but I think if I get this going, guys, this year could be my pepper year. I could have a pepper season, not session. What am I having, a gym session? No, a pepper season. I have had one great season about a year or two ago with my hot peppers, but sweet peppers over the years has been a disaster for me. So, look at that. Whew, just a beautiful, amazing. Shout out to whoever free range, pesticide free, wherever you are. Thank you. I like to see more of this. No chemicals in the stuff that we grow, less chemicals in the food we consume. Look at that. Perfect. That is perfect. Using the same thing and you get the same size right there. You ain't gonna be killing yourself, and just cover it over with a little bit of his natural, and cover it as natural as possible. Get it just a bit solid in there. Get it. I might have to add a little bit more around this one. And the worms are not going to be eating this. And I'm going to add a little bit of straw as a mulch around the base of this beauty, or these beautiful ones. And the best part is about to arrive, guys. Is that natural rainwater that I have been saving in that blue barrel. Don't know if you guys can see it over there. That blue barrel right there. It's to die for. The blue barrel. Okay, let me get you guys up so you can see. Oh, almost fell over there. Don't worry about that. That blue barrel that's filled with all that natural rainwater that will give it that little juice to start its growth. Keeping it closer to the roots. I don't want to overwater this. Just want to keep it nice at the roots. Just wet around it. That's it. Give it a little drink. And let it have as much chance as every human being possible. Not chance, as humanly as possible to take over the world. Let's let it give it a chance with all this water, because natural rainwater is the best thing to water your plants with. Look at that. And I've added labels, guys. Labels. So in here, I'll be able to tell you, I have a Californian Wonder and that yellow sweet pepper. Look how beautiful. If they turn out to be what I'm thinking they're going to be, come on. If you're not going to make it, you're going to threaten them. I'm going to threaten them, guys. I'm going to threaten them. I'm going to give them an early threat from now. If you don't make it, you're for the streets. Mr. Californian Wonder. I'll send you back to California. Come on, you can do this. Yellow. You're going to be red if you don't be careful. You're going to have to make this. Give them a little threat. Just the peppers anyway. Just not human threats. Just to the plants. You're going to make it. Or else. And that's the first two. I'm going to get the scotch bonnets in. And then I'm going to show you because I'm not gonna have them here with these ones. I'm gonna have them in another locations. I'm trying to spread around this year, have things growing in different section. I have a pot here where I'm gonna have one of them in, and I'm just gonna stick it, just remove it from where it is right now, stick it right there, just gonna be there, right there. I'm gonna have pots all over the place, guys. I got a few that I need to fill up. Look, I'm gonna have them here. I'm gonna have things in them. I'm trying to grow as much or utilize all the space that I have to grow as much as I possibly can this year. That's the aim. Let's get those other peppers in, and then I'll show you how they look. Guys, I have just planted and potted them all out. That is the Scotch bonnet, and this is I put both Scotch bonnet on the same location. Yes, guys, I put the label in so I will know what they are. Look at that. Let me show you what I mean by I don't really remember what I plant, even though I thought I would have remembered what I planted. Labeling is so important, especially out here, but sometimes you get in a rush, you just sow, and then you forget about everything else. Right now, I have in this tray, I know what's in there. Now I know this is a tomato. I cannot tell you what variety of tomatoes it is until they are fully developed into the fruit. I got no idea. I just saw this. And there is some peppers in here. I put tomatoes and peppers in this tray, but I don't remember what variety of them. Very important to keep labels. I've been trying my best, guys. I've been trying and failing at the same time. Let me move you over here. These are the other two. Beautiful. Look at the bright orange. I'm praying for you. I've already threatened them to make sure they give me something. If not, you will be removed on sight. This is your boy, Mr. Green Hands. Can't resist spending money in a garden center. I think I need to resist, or they need to sponsor this video so I can get some money back, but it's not gonna happen. This is what it is. I still gonna go in and buy something. Please do not forget to look after yourself and the planet. It is our home. Let's make the most of it. I look rough, but don't worry about the rough. It's all about the garden. See you guys next time. Yeah.